How to set call forwarding when busy on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Phone App. Now here, click on the three dot icon and click on Settings. Now in Call Settings, scroll down. Scroll down and click on Supplementary Services. So after click on Supplementary Services, so click on Call Forwarding. So after click on call forwarding, you will see after the process, click on forward when busy. So if you want to change and set, so click on this minus icon. So after selecting, click on. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can set call forwarding while using on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.